In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light assembly on this Audi S4. This is going to be located at the base of your front bumper. Let's get into it. Now this bezel, we're just going to remove the bezel. There's some clips. You just want to get underneath the clips, pop it out. You can see right there and there. This comes right off. Now using a T20 socket, take these screws out. Grab the assembly, you can pull it out. Now disconnect the connector and just push down on the tab. Slide the connector off. And to change the bulb, you're going to just grab the bulb, twist it to the left, and it comes right out. This is a H11 bulb. Most of the times these are test bulbs, so it's a good idea to replace them with a fresh one. Line this up, twist it to the right. Now we can connect the connector, lock it in. And we'll line this up. Now take the screws, get those started. Now snug those down. That's good. Now take the bezel, slide these two ears in to the slots, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.